So here are the Avtex TVs that we have in our hire motorhomes. Also, if you have just bought yourself an Avtex TV, feel free to use this as a quick start guide. But please note, this is the model with the DVD player in the back and not the smart TVs. So looking at the front of the TV to begin with, not a lot to see when it's switched off. Behind the bottom right-hand corner, you've got the sort of controls that are built into the back of the TV in case you lose a remote. We've got the DVD player slot just up here, and then on the far left, just behind here, is the hard on-off switch. So we normally leave them off for when you're traveling, but for the sake of this, I've just switched it on there. It won't come on yet because the TV is still in standby. I don't know if your TV at home is the same. It has like a solid on-off switch, which only puts it onto standby, and then you need the remote to turn it on. We can also see just to the left here that we are plugged into the 12-volt system. This means that if you are camping wild, i.e. you don't have electrical hookup, you can still use the TV when it's plugged in this way. When you hook into mains, it will also still work in this way. We're plugged into mains at the moment. However, if you have an issue with that connection, in the hire vehicles, we do keep the mains socket near the TV. It's normally in a cupboard. I've just put it there for the sake of this video so that you can plug into the main socket, just that we can see just at the bottom there. And those sockets will only work when you're hooked up to mains. So turning the TV on, you've got your Avtex remote. Just press the red power button at the top. Your remote might be slightly different, but it will be easy enough to find. Wait a few seconds and the screen comes on to let you know that it's switched on, and it takes a few moments just to find the channels. So looking at the remote quickly, nice and easy, simple to follow. You've got your DVD control buttons there, your channel and your volume. All the remotes are similar. If you do arrive on a campsite, you may need to retune. In fact, you might want to retune anyway, just so you get a better reception. This is currently tuned in. If it's not, it will come up on the TV with some easy to follow instructions, or if need be, you can hold down the AQT button that you can just see on the remote, just there, and then click OK, and that will automatically tune all the channels for you. Just simply follow the on-screen instructions. Also on our hire fleet, we include a USB stick, which you'll find at the top of the TV. You don't need to worry about that, it's there. And then on there, if you click the source button on your remote, then go down to USB, press OK, go across to movie, and then see, and then you can see all the how-to videos there in case you need a quick refresher when you're out and about. If you don't have a hire motorhome and you'd quite like a refresher on some of the systems, like the Truma heating panel, that kind of thing, they're all available on our website. To get back to your normal TV after this, just press the source button and go up, and you want to select digital TV, not satellite TV. Press on that, press OK, and then your channels will come back on as normal, very much like your Freeview channels at home. So just remember, if you arrive on a site and there's no signal, your AQT button or the screen will come up with some easy to follow instructions, which are honestly easy to follow. If you get any issues, then refer to the manuals, which you'll find inside your motorhome.